Welcome. In this video I will show you how to view training status on GARMIN Forerunner 70. So to do that, we have to first start an activity on our watch. For example, run. Let's press start. Okay, so we have started an activity. Now, to watch the status, you simply have to take a glance at your watch, where you can see the timer, distance and pace. But we can also unlock the screen of our watch and watch the rest of the information about our training. And if we swipe left, we can also navigate or adjust the settings of our activity. And if we stop an activity and then swipe left and right, we'll be able to save our activity and view it later. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.